Alright, what up guys, I got an Xbox controller here and the home button is kind of sticky and it's really hard to push. Been having this problem for a while, and since I don't have any tools to open it up, so this is going to be my fix, I guess. Things you're going to need is your Xbox controller, rubbing alcohol, and cotton swab. So what you're going to need to do is open your rubbing alcohol, dip a cotton swab in there, and you gotta push it in, just like go around with the cotton swab, I guess. I already feel it's getting a little bit keep on repeating this process until you see that it's getting easier and easier each time you press it in. And just let it sit for a while. Alright guys, I kept on doing it, and since I don't want to record the whole thing, yeah, it's back to normal, no force. Yeah, so this is my fix. Just get cotton swabs, get you some rubbing alcohol, and just like press down on the home button, and then just like, well, you guys will have two hands, only have one. Just hold it down and just go around it, and it should be easier like mine. Alright, that's it guys. One more thing guys, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe, and follow my Twitter, link in the description down there. So yeah.